Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Party on Thursday organized a town hall conversation with women at Bivar Road in Shillong, which was addressed by Dr. Mukul Sangma, Trinamool Congress Legislature Party leader and the leader of opposition. The objective of the event was to build more human connection between the leader of the masses and the local female residents of the area. A large congregation of women across the city from all walks of life enthusiastically came forward with a question which were addressed by Dr. Sangma. During the interactive session, a question on women's inclusion in the political scenario of Meghalaya was pertinently raised by a female resident.
To enable women to take this as a space where they must actively get involved in our democratic system and see how together we can bring the right kind of change that we desire to see. And it's quite encouraging because it has been endeavor though, but then have we actually been able to get aspiring women to really take a kind of resolve to be in public life. I think it has been an endeavor by every political party,